Here's how you can create a Shopify store using AutoDS. First, you want to start your AutoDS trial. Usually they have a 14-day trial. If you sign up through the link in the description, you will get access to an extended 30-day free trial. So if you're interested in that, go and click on the link down in the description to get started. Now, when signing up, you want to make sure that you set Shopify as your selling channel. When that's the case, in the top left, you can then click Add Store. Now, I already have one connected, but I'll just add a different one and select Shopify and click Continue. Now, this is what you will see. Now, if you want AutoDS to build it for you, then here you can see Use AI to generate a pre-built Shopify store. You want to select this middle option and then click Continue. Then here you can choose one of these 6 options. So you can pick, I'm not sure, sport and fitness. So this is your niche, by the way. But for example, I'll go pets and click next. Now AI is building a store for you. Now, since I already have a Shopify store connected, I need to upgrade my account to connect a different one. I don't want to do that right now, so I won't. But after doing that, it will basically deliver a pre-built store to you with some products on it that are already connected to your AutoDS account. Then you will get an email and password that you can then use to sign into your Shopify store. So now you know how to build a Shopify store using AutoDS. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.